Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a can of compressed air, isopropyl alcohol, a microfiber cloth, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively clean your motherboard. First, power off your HP16 af1014ns and unplug it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible. This is crucial to prevent any electrical damage while you work on the device. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw from the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws organized, as you will need them to reassemble the laptop later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel off to expose the internal components. Now locate the motherboard. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to wear an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static electricity from damaging the components. If you don't have one, be sure to touch a grounded metal object frequently. Using the can of compressed air, carefully blow away any dust and debris from the motherboard. Hold the can upright and use short bursts to avoid moisture buildup. Pay special attention to the fan and heatsink areas, as dust accumulation can lead to overheating. For more stubborn grime, dip the microfiber cloth in isopropyl alcohol and gently wipe the surfaces of the motherboard. This will help remove any oils or residues. Be cautious not to apply too much pressure, as the components are delicate. If you encounter any particularly tough spots, you can use a soft brush to dislodge the dirt. After cleaning, allow the motherboard to dry completely before reassembling the laptop. This is important to ensure that no moisture remains that could cause electrical issues. If you find that your laptop is still not functioning properly after cleaning, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help identify any underlying issues that may not be visible during a simple cleaning. Once the motherboard is dry, carefully replace the back panel of the laptop. Align it properly and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly fastened to avoid any rattling or movement. Finally, reinsert the battery and plug the laptop back in. Power it on to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your laptop repaired without the hassle of calls or travel. Before any repair, we always provide a quote so you know exactly what to expect. This way, you can make an informed decision about your laptop's maintenance and repair needs. Regular cleaning and maintenance can significantly extend the life of your device, so be sure to keep up with it. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.